Welcome to my YouTube channel viewers. Today I am going to share with you Bengali style quick fish recipe with pumpkin stem and leaves. I have taken some pumpkin stem with soft leaves and katla fish. I have fried the pumpkin stem along with some potato by adding salt and turmeric powder. Next I have fried the fish by adding some salt and turmeric powder. Don't over fry the fish, don't make it dark brown. Next turn on the heat. In the same remaining fried oil I have added half a teaspoon pachforon and some slid green chili. Saute for few seconds until pachforon is fragrant. Next add the fried pumpkin stem along with potato. Stir well, mix well. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next I will add little water, pour little water and cover it for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds add some cumin powder. I have added 1 teaspoon cumin powder. One more time cover and cook until the spice release oil and it's well fried. Next I'll add hot water. I have added half glass hot water. Bring it to boil. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes over high flame, then add salt according to your taste. Next add the fried fish pieces. You can add any type of fish with this recipe, but this recipe goes well with katla fish. Turn to medium high heat and cook for another 5 to 6 minutes. In this stage you can add some slit green chili. This recipe doesn't goes well with red chili powder, so don't add red chili powder. See, our yummy fish curry with pumpkin stem is done. Serve it with hot steamed rice. It's healthy, yummy and a traditional recipe. If you like this recipe, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.